Vandegaram students, today we are going to learn how to give animation for the text. Text means like typing. So today we are going to create some slides, and first thing you type your name, your family member's name also you have to type. So I have typed here subject name. So how to type this? So you have to click on this background, also change it, insert text box. Okay, so you can click the text box and you can see the name. Then you change the size, this and all, font size, then color. Once you have changed like this, it has come. Now I want to give some effects. What you have to do first is select. So first for maths I want to give effect, right? Animations, custom animation. So when you click on custom animation, you can see this side, add effect. Okay, sometimes for some advanced laptop you will see the effects here itself, but here custom animation, this effect, the star symbol, click on this, entrance. So first today we will learn entrance, these and all we will learn later. So entrance means how this text should come in your slideshow. Suppose I am clicking on dissolve in, see there are so many effects, try everything, at least give 5 effects for each word. Can you see how it's coming? So I want to add one more also, strips, you can see, again wheel, see. So like this you can try so many effects. Even if you go more effects also, here crawl in plus wheel, this all there. So now click OK. So you can see the number, right? So 4 effects. So this order also you can change. Suppose this effect. So like this only in online class I used to give ice cream. I will put the picture. I will click on fly in. It will come. Next I want to give for science. So what to do? Same custom animation. Add effect. Entrance. So I am giving wedge. So like this, how many effects also you can see change. Just to drag means the order will change. And here it should be on click. So when you click, it will come. Speed, I will select fast, or else it will come very slowly. Now I am going to show the slideshow. See, when I click, the effects will come. Can you see the effects? So you can change the order also. So what you have to do is you have to type your name, your family member's name, and try all the entrance effects. So today you try entrance only. So try this effects. Even for image also you can try the same. This is text. Even for picture also you can try this and send this video to me.